This is an opportunity for students to address something of interest to them, solving a problem, explaining something, demonstrating how things work in a way that's both visual as well as literal, and they can stand by their project as people come by to explain to them why this was of interest to them and what they learned during the process.
Science fair gives students hands-on experience with a scientific method in a way that provides inquiry, gives them a chance to ask the question and see the process through all the way to the end. So on one hand, I love it because it gives them a chance to be scientists for a little while, but on the other hand, I love it because they get total control of the process.
I had a student who was very concerned about the sanitation in his mother's kitchen. I never asked him exactly why. So he wanted to take a look at the different items that she used to clean the kitchen and clean dishes to see how safe and sanitary it was. So he looked at scrub brushes, sponges, dishcloths, every drying towels, everything that she used, and he ran tests on them to determine what type of bacteria was involved, how clean they were actually, how you could clean them, what was the best way to clean them, and it was just very interesting because it was of such a personal interest to him. And he discovered that microwaving sponges and other plastic scrubbing pads and things of that nature worked quite well to kill the bacteria, but also running them in the dishwasher. And so that became his responsibility at home to make sure that these were constantly in the dishwasher being cleaned, because he had developed a phobia for germs, I guess. But anyway, it was very, very entertaining.
I had a student who ran swabs over different surfaces and cultured the bacteria that grew up on them, and then added antibiotics to kill the bacteria, and so you could identify what kinds of bacteria were there. And what she discovered was that some of the places that we thought were the cleanest actually have the greatest diversity of bacteria, including a couple of species that did not respond to the antibiotics. So they were kind of scary.